top. Now we're going to go into naturalistic environment training, which in other words is called NET. What is NET? Natural environment teaching is a scientifically proven teaching method which allows AB practitioners to incorporate the learner's natural environment into the teaching, the development, and generalization of skills. In other words, we're incorporating play and familiar toys, games, materials that the learner enjoys in order to maximize the learner's motivation to continue the activity. An example of this would be if you have an individual who really likes puzzles. Let's say the individual gravitates towards the puzzle pieces. You'll use that to not only attend to the activity, but you'll work on other goals like requesting for more puzzle pieces or labeling the puzzle pieces. So you're incorporating a lot of teaching opportunities within that play activity. So that's what NET is. The advantages of NET. Advantages are that reinforcers and consequences are authentic. So it comes from both the environment and the student's expressed interests. It also relies on natural and functional stimuli rather than contrived trials. This means teachable moments can be acted upon on the spot and learning can happen at a student-directed pace. NET also allows family members as well as peers to become active participants in training. This integration of social involvement is crucial for the students with ASD. Lastly, NET is conducive to generalization and discrimination. So students learn new concepts in the relevant environments and situations, increasing the learning opportunity and skill acquisition of the learner. So NET has a lot of advantages. There's also disadvantages to NET. One of the disadvantages is that it can create increased distractions. When the natural environmental teaching is incorporating a lot of the preferred activities, the learner can be less regulated. It could be too stimulating. So that could be one of the disadvantages. Another thing is that the learner is less controlled. The environment is less controlled. There's a lot of unpredictability in the setting. In this case, it's important to individualize the session based on the child's needs. If a child is not as focused or does not have the prerequisite skills of attending, we might use a traditional DTT session, which is discrete trial training. Again, it's very individualized. We have more advantages using NET rather than not. Again, if you have questions, please refer to your assigned supervisor for this. Now let's take a pop quiz.